Rain poured outside Picco's cozy home. Welcome to Piccolatales, where little hearts learn big lessons. Want to continue the fun? Visit Piccolatales.com to download the storybook, coloring pages, and fun activity pages. Water rose quickly across the street. Picco stared out in surprise. Tilo barked at the storm nervously. Mommy hurried to the window. The street looked like a river. Picco felt a little scared. Mommy gently told him stay calm. The lights flickered during thunder. Dad quickly checked his phone. A flood alert warning appeared. Picco wanted to look outside. Dad softly stopped him near door. The water outside looked dangerous. Mommy made a safety corner. Picco helped carry water bottles. Tilo brought a soft blanket. The family sat together safely. Thunder rumbled outside the house. Picco stayed calm and brave. Tilo rested beside Picco peacefully. The rain slowly became lighter. Thunder moved far away now. Sunlight peeked through the clouds. Dad said the alert ended. Picco smiled proudly at himself. Bravery means making smart choices. Picco learned an important lesson. The storm had finally passed. Together, they can face storms. Would you stay calm and safe during a big storm? Nod your head if yes.
Subscribe to the channel for more learning and adventures with us, Picco and Tilo.